Let's continue further. In this video, we'll be learning about services offered by the retailers to ultimate consumers. Let's see what are the services. Regular availability of products, new products information, convenience in buying, wide selection, after sale services and provision of credit facilities. We'll be elaborating these services one by one. So let's start. For services, regular availability of products. In order to maintain the regular availability of various products produced by different manufacturers, retailers purchase from them either from the wholesalers or directly from the manufacturers and provide in small quantities as demanded by the consumers. So ultimately, these consumers are provided the help of making the products available regularly, whatever and whichever quantity they require. These retailers, they also enables the buyer to choose from among variety of products and buy them when needed. See, there are wide variety of products. Even if you go for purchasing a small unit, let us suppose a toothpaste or a soap, to the retailers, you will find wide variety available and then you can choose from among it, because these retailers, they purchase in whole bulk, not from one manufacturer, not from one wholesaler, rather from different wholesalers and manufacturers, and they arrange for the variety of products for the consumers. Next, services providing the information about the new products available in the market. Retailers make arrangement for effective display of the products and increasing the sales by personal selling efforts. When you go for purchasing a small chocolate even, you will find a wide variety. And from this wide variety, what you select? The chocolate which proves to be more attractive for you. Now this attraction may be in the form of a good package, it may be in the form of a scheme, it may be in the form of discount, it may be an extra quantity of a chocolate available. So these are the services provided by the retailers. Fine. Through this, they provide vital information. See now on the label, entire information is available on the label of the product about new arrivals, special features of the products, new products to the consumers, and moreover, these retailers, they also help in choosing the products by the retailers. So retailers act as important factor in buyers decision making process, from where to purchase, what to purchase, in what quantity. Consumers are helped by the retailers. Next, services. These retailers, they help in convenient buying. Retailers sell the goods in small quantities as per the requirement, as per the demand of the consumers. Normally, they are located near the residential areas and remain open for long hours. So these retailers, they help in selling the product and making the product conveniently available to the buyers whenever they need and in whatever quantity the buyers need. These services offer a great convenience to the consumers in buying the required products. Next is, they also help in wide selection. You can see on the screen also, same thing happens. This is all done on routine basis. By keeping the stocks of variety of products available from the different manufacturers they purchase, retailers enable the consumers to make their choice out of a wide selection of goods, because a wide variety of products are available, and this is done as a window display. As the decoration of the shop, you will see that wide variety is available and you are in a condition to choose the best which is suited to you as a consumer. Then after sale services, once the products are sold, then what is done? Again the retailer helps. Retailers provide after sale services like home delivery, supplying spare parts, and sometimes when the products are not good or consumer does not like the product or consumer is not satisfied by using the products, he can go and exchange the products from the retailer. This is after sale service. This act as an important factor for repeat of sales to products, sales of the products to the consumers. See, if consumer is not satisfied and he goes to the retailer for exchanging the products, or he demands his money back, and further if retailer satisfies the consumers, what will happen? It will help in enhancing the sales. Further, retailer will also the consumer will also like to transact with such a retailer who satisfies the needs of the consumers. Also, these retailers, they provide the credit facilities generally to the consumers who go on regular basis. Sometimes retailers provide these credit facilities to regular consumers, enabling the latter to increase their level of consumption and standard of living. So this is also one of the biggest help these retailers provide to the ultimate consumers. So now let's recapitulate what we learned. We learned the meaning of retail trade. We learned the services provided by the retailers to the wholesalers and manufacturers in the previous video, and then we learned about the service provided by the retailers to the consumer. So retail trade is that type of trade which involves buying goods in large quantities from wholesalers and selling them in small quantities to the ultimate consumers. So that's it for today. Thank you.